Good morning. In today's class, we're going to see about the contemporary issues related to professional ethics. The word contemporary, what it means it is the current scenario. Based on the current scenario or current technology development, what are the professional ethics that an engineers will face in their workplace? The first and foremost, as I already said that the technological advancement plays a major role in the contemporary issues. And in the environment, work environment or climatical changes that plays the major role in these kind of issues. Followed by consequently ethical conduct is not merely a desirable trait, but a fundamental requirement for responsible engineering practice. Likewise, we are having many issues that we are facing in the current scenario. We see one by one in detail. Safety and the cost that we maintain towards the safety and whistleblowing, that is nothing but whenever we are looking for a mistake, whenever we are observing a mistake that are happening inside the organization or inside our workplace, we should be given a response to that particular mistake, or we should react to that particular mistake, whatever the position, whatever the hierarchy that the superior is holding. If you find that they are doing some kind of mistakes, then we should be ethical to our profession, and we should raise our voice against those kind of mistakes. Technology development. In the technology development, now the artificial intelligence and automation plays a crucial role. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation presents a unique set of ethical challenges: bias and discriminations, job displacement, autonomous system and accountability, data and privacy security. Bias and discriminations. AI algorithms can amplify existing biases present in the data that they are trained on, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hearing, loan applications, and even criminal justice. Engineers have a responsibility to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a fair and equitable manner. Job displacement. Automation driven by AI has potential to displace workers across various industries. Engineers must consider the social impact of the work and explore ways to mitigate job losses through retraining programs or deployment of new industries. Autonomous systems. Now we are able to visualize that in many areas the autonomous system is happening and it is replacing the workers. The autonomous system becomes more prevalent. Question arises regarding accountability in the event of accidents or failures. When the autonomous system comes over there, we are facing some hurdles in questioning the workers. If an accident occurs over there, or we are not able to find any accountability over there, it is very tough to identify who is responsible for that particular failure, or who is responsible for that particular accidents. Data privacy and security. In AI systems often rely on vast amount of data, raising concerns about data privacy and security. Engineers must prioritize the protection of sensitive information and ensure that data is ethically and responsibly maintained. Climate challenge and sustainability. As already said that environmental responsibility. Engineers must prioritize environmental sustainability in their designs and projects, minimizing the negative impact of ecosystem and natural resources. Ethical sourcing of materials. We should purchase the materials in such a way that it can withstand at all the weather conditions or all the places. By considering all these, the engineers should strive on source of materials ethically and sustainably, considering the impact on local communities as well as the environment. Promoting renewable energies. Nowadays, we should promote the renewable energy such as solar, wind, and geothermal power. But we should have an understanding that there will not be a consistent power source from these renewable energy sources. Based on the climatical conditions, we will not able to get the consistent resources from these renewable energy sources, whereas we have to adapt to the situations and we have to reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. Globalization and class culture ethics. There might be some situation that we need to work at different cultural environment or different areas. We should maintain the standards wherever we go, and the standards plays a sensitive role in these areas. Bribery and corruptions. Bribery and corruptions are prevalent in some parts of the world, and it is sometimes we'll have some dilemma for engineers on international projects because of these bribery and corruptions. Engineers must adhere to the highest ethical standards and resist pressure to engage in corrupt practices. We also must maintain the standards wherever we go. Intellectual property rights is now we are able to visualize that copying the technology or using the other technology is common in all area, whereas if a product is having an IPR, we should not use their ideas or technologies in our product. It is ethically wrong. Now we are able to visualize that social media plays a vital role in the reputation of a person. We should more ethical in these areas. Engineers must maintain a professional boundaries on social media, avoiding the disclosure of confidential information or making remarks about the colleagues or clients in the social media. Accuracy and transparency, that information that they share on the social media should be accurate and transparent. Avoiding this spread of rumors or misinformations which will lead to personal loss for that particular persons. Respectful communication should be there whenever we are interacting in the social media. We should not use offensive languages, or we should not pinpoint to the other mistakes and posting it on the social media. We must also protect the reputations to avoid engaging in activities that could damage the professional standards. These are the things that need to be focused to maintain the current scenarios. Thank you.